Queen plus Adam Lambert is a collaboration between the active members of the British band Queen and American vocalist Adam Lambert. As with all other Queen performances since 1997, longstanding bassist John Deacon has declined to participate in the project due to his retirement. This is the first long-term collaboration of Queen since the Queen plus Paul Rodgers project ended in 2009. Like the previous project, it was made clear that Lambert would not be replacing Queen frontman Freddie Mercury, but rather that he would be featured with the band's active members. The Queen plus Adam Lambert collaboration originated when May and Taylor appeared on American Idol in 2009, when Lambert was a contestant. They began performing occasionally in 2011, conducted a short European tour in 2012, and in 2014 announced a world tour, the Queen plus Adam Lambert Tour 2014-2015, with dates in North America, Australia, New Zealand, Asia, Europe, and South America. In the summer of 2016, the group performed several dates as part of a festival tour in Europe and several dates in Asia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.